I don't even know say where music they come this side.
Now how? He get one of my brother will be saying I need to bring the business come. See this one.
What is happening? This one you are running as if
is anybody that? Riot.
Huh? Tell me it's a joke.
How can I joke with something like that? Outside people they burn houses, they burn cars over there. When they here. No, hold on. You mean what you say?
No, let me see. I want to see. Hey! Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Hey, thank God. It's only a dream. Oh, Jesus. Oh. My friend. Lafia. Yes. View.
Good view. Never two.
No, give me 2 rubbers. 2. Hey. You said 20 now.
Thank you.
You come back later to take your rubber.
Thank you.
Mba tanka. Bo na ngorogo ogwe bo na ipo na ije kpota m tanka. Eje ọkọ m ego ikwu tanka ụgwọ. Na asị m tanka. No, don't bring tanker or don't come with tanker. I can't pay for tanker.
Gana sakare wannan minene kake an sami kake sakare wannan baka san ba abin da kake sakare na Allah wadaran ka.
Ba kwanke kasava. Keke sabo nye do to kasava. Go nwe gi kuku no ka kasava. Ne no go se ku rate yowa. Gero na wa. Bia dia imo gi ha gwa gas na ekwu ka ji akwu gi na ekwenisi. Idi volleyball. Oje lelele. You never no person we now look at the way you posted yourself like electric pole. You go come on.
Salam alaikum. Malaikum salam. Atiki sune akwana. Garara ara fannin magana. Kai bana bisi ta karbu sama. Amini bello basari ce mu fadi. Wancan ya fadi sama. Sai baba Buhari. Sai baba Buhari. Inda lati ce ko ya fadi. Kun san mazari su ne da kadi. Wasu sun ce ai dawa da badi. APC san general ya fadi. Mun san kan waku ne da hadiya. Haya. Sai baba Buhari. Sai baba Buhari. Kai bane APC mu ne da sama. Dangin zaki layin su zuba. Suka ce a daga don mai rigima. Gashi mun kuda karyar mai hadama. Sai baba Buhari. Sai baba Buhari. Ku gaya masa masu gudu su gudu. In ka san kai sata ka gudu. Ku gaya mabarayin can su maza. Ko yi sake general ya ritsa. Ga baba Buhari general a sama. Haya. Sai baba Buhari. Sai baba Buhari. Rabili dan Ibro tilas na fadi. Allah ya ji kansa ya mai rahama. Baba na Chinedu yana da kari. Sai baba Buhari. Sai baba Buhari. Sai baba Buhari. Baba na Chinedu yake magana. Na huntuwa mai bude magana. Ya abokin rana mai magana.
Musa, this girl that left here a few seconds ago, do you know her?
Okay, Halima.
Who?
Na my wife to be.
Who? Alimma is her name. Okay, wife to be. No, she's beautiful.
Don't play with that girl.
And my Paula, my mother, how can I play? Okay, from man from.
I don't tell you now.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
You know what she bring for me.
No, don't worry, don't worry.
Drink now.
No. Allah Bakwanaga. Okay, do you think I can afford my own? In fact, you made the rightful choice. Take it. Okay. You made the rightful decision. I mean, choice.
Okay,
one.
Go away.
Oh, on our super bye. How can I help you this morning?
Why you, Allah? You don't hear what is wrong with you? Why are you based on giving us troubles in this compound now? Eh? T, if you don't give me that 1,000 naira, I will make sure I cut off your lights.
As in what? No, when have you become the caretaker of this very yard that you are here to collect 1,000 for NEPA bill?
Udoye, Kawukudi mana. The Allah, Kawukudi mana. Please pay me your money. If you don't pay me that money, I'll make sure I cut off your light. Go. And I'm serious about it.
And even if I want to give that 1,000 naira, I will give it to you. Tell me it's a joke. Let me tell you, if I want to give that 1,000 naira, I will give it to caretaker so that I'll be sure who I'm giving that money. Now, let me tell you what is going to happen is very simple. You have to go and come back next month because as it stands now, Udoye, I don't have even 1 naira with me. And if you are coming back next month, try to alert me on time. Can't wait, David.
Why you unlock? Udoye, why are you like this now? Why are you like this? Why are you giving me wahala? Give me your 1,000 naira and let me go. See, let me tell you, if you don't give me that 1,000 naira, I will make sure I cut off your lights.
You cut off my light?
Yes.
To Magana, go and cut off the light. Udoye, here, I am not afraid of staying in the darkness. You people are the people that are afraid of staying in darkness. How many times do we have light in a month? NEPA people will give us light, just two times in a month. And you want me to pay for the 31 days.
Udoye, Kawukudi mana. Kawukudi mana, the Allah Kawukudi mana.
Today is Sunday. I don't have any money with me. Today is Sunday. Besides, I don't know what I'm going to eat this morning.
I've told you, if you don't give me that 1,000 naira, I'll cut off your light.
Toba Magana, go and cut off the lights.
That is key.
Don't stand before me now and say that is key, because if you say that, I'm to work on. In now 1,000. 1,000 walk on. How many times do NEPA people give us light in a month? 2 times. And now they want me to pay for something that I'm not using. It's not possible. Oh, he called. Oh, he. 1,500. All of them 1,500.
No, you know what? See what you have to give 1,000. Tomorrow, I will bring the 500 balance.
No, tell me it's a joke. How can you bring me 1,000? Because, come, wait.
No, because Thomas.
Wait! Then let me remove this one.
No, because Thomas, we've been at the cream I want now.
Don't worry, forget. It's either you pay.
This one, I don't need this one without the cream.
Then go home and get more money.
You said, man. I know they come your shop again.
No, they come.
Salam alaikum. Oh, yeah, give me change.
Sanu.
Gunu? No, he went out. Come.
Give me change, make I go, I beg.
Gunu, come. Gunu, come. Good, now let me attend to my... Your change is 100. Give me 100, yeah, give me 100. Give me 100. 100. That's your change.
I'm not going to come your shop again.
If you are coming next time, bring money. Now.
Naira I'm saying it's 50 naira.
Oh, Naira Asim?
Yes.
One.
50 naira.
Naira Asim, Pedaya?
Yes.
Good. Hey.
Gotcha.
Yeah, fine girl. What's your name? Your name?
Halima.
Halima. Wonderful. In fact, your name is as beautiful as you are.
Thank you very much. Now good day.
You are. Yes, sir. So, when will I see you again? When are you coming here again?
You want to buy kunu? You will buy kunu?
You.
So, Gobe, I'll come. If I bring for Musa, I'll bring for you.
Yeah, if I can buy anything buyable.
So, Gobe, I'll come. I'll bring for you. So, I need a change. Let me look for change. I'll bring for you.
You won't go and bring change?
Let me bring.
No. Come. Carry your things. Go. Tomorrow, as you are coming, bring my change.
So.
Or better still, go with the change. Just keep the change.
Haba.
No. Keep the change. Take.
You dash me all of it?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Go. Now go there. Let me just give you one.
Allah! son ka ji ka ndị nwa nwe egwu nenu ebe ahụ. Maka bụ ka ndị nọ nka. Ma uru ije gị na ba.
Aferua.
Ke onye mmụọ na-arụ. Onye kwa? Oh, you are talking of why are Kwero? Kwero, tell me when you na cheese. I don't need the water. I don't need the okay, you are talking of the water. But I keep buying you water. How can you be coming here? Am I the only person? I don't even know whether you are the one wasting all the water. All my water. Don't you know that people are having nap? Do you know what nap means? You are coming here and say, Rwa. Instead of water. It's like this one is settling there. Imagine I'm about to rubber, keep it here. Before I close my eyes open. Here. Look where you ever knock a Rwa.
Gida ana ba mu kudi auren tara auren kudi fulani da gidan kudi ina nan da uwa take bai wadiya kuwa muna zaga kawa muna bin sa hawa auren tara auren kudi fulani da gidan kudi daure kai mai kudi ka sai tsire albasar ka ce ai wadiya tuwo ta
my brother ke kan di bol me ke ka sai dai me
Nche bye. I'll tell you something.
Emmanuel? That's easy to get out with the Naba. That's good.
Salon Oga.
Lafia.
Don Allah, where is Musa? Have you seen him today?
No, not even today. Throughout this week, I have not seen Musa. Whether Musa run away, I don't know.
Haba?
He didn't tell you that he will be traveling.
No, he did not tell me, Pa.
No, he traveled. Opportunity. Come. Bia, come. You want
to buy kunu?
Oh yes, that's good.
It's very cold.
I'm okay with this one.
He didn't tell you that he will be traveling.
He didn't tell me, Pa.
He traveled though. You see what I'm saying? How can he tell you? Because you're a simple woman, a girl selling kunu seller. Let me tell you. You see this Musa cannot take care of you. But this man you are looking at now, I can arrange you, scatter you. I'm telling you the truth. If you accept to be my girlfriend, I will take you to London.
London?
Yes, London. And if I marry you, I'll take you to United of America. From there, we'll move to UK. From UK now, I'll take you to Mecca. You now turn to Ajia.
Keriani, you're lying.
Like they say, Oyibo say, that action speaks louder than voice. Wait now and see. Hey, I
don't have money to buy them, Pa. I'm not buying.
No, don't worry, I'm coming. Take, Choruko. You will need this one. Just to show you how much I want to take care of you.
Okay, you're a very nice man, Pa.
Yes. Don't worry. Choruko.
No, your money is 50 naira for the kunu.
Oh, no. I'm not paying for the kunu yet. I will still pay double. Take this one and enter Marawa. Enter Dikeh.
Oga, now go there.
You are.
I am very grateful.
Thank you. You are.
It's for big girls.
Yes. The other one is 1,500. This one 1,500. But I'm giving it to you free. You are the only biggest girl in town. In fact, go home. Don't even sell again. Go home. Yeah. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Yo,
What is wrong with you?
no, this man here. In fact, my sense here is intact. Nothing is wrong with me.
Are you alright?
I'm all right.
Oh, it's not a matter of being intact. See, this girl belongs to your friend Musa. And you're here talking to you. I know who I was so.
My brother. Ha! Casey, let me tell you, you got it all wrong. That she belonged to Musa was a past tense. Are you with me? That was then, as it is now. In fact, I own Alemma wholesale.
Listen, don't say I did not want you.
Forget it.
Ha!
If
Am
I the only first person who fell in love? If they want to kill me because I'm in love, let them kill me.
Ha!
Don't tell me you are jealous.
How can I be jealous? I'm just telling you the truth as a brother. Don't say I do not want you. Ha!
One day, why am I
Leave me alone. Look, Well, Life, next time, I don't want you to bring me to a hotel. I want you to take me to your house. You say I'm your love. Am I not your love?
Of course. You are my, in fact, not only my love, you are my only love.
So why did you not bring me to the hotel?
You know why I didn't take you to my house? Just because I want to put something like AC, plasma, gas cooker, so that once you enter, you will enjoy the house.
Gas cooker?
Gas cooker, yo.
Did you enjoy it?
You want me to die? I enjoy it. Sure.
You know, when people see me outside coming to the hotel, they will think that she's one of those prostitutes.
You are right.
They may think I'm a prostitute, like all those your Igbo girls, the Inyamiri with the big something.
Alemo, why are you talking like this? In fact, as I'm talking to you now, I'm looking at you. You are my perfect.
You may be seeing all those Igbo girls, all those your Inyamiri girls, all those ones with big back and big front.
Everything you have here is perfect. Even the side is perfect.
It was very strong. You did it too strong.
You know that kind of thing?
It was very sweet, pa.
Udo sweet. We're going forever. You go let us go, you know.
I need to even go to the market. I have to go and sell my kunu.
Don't worry, meme. Atarangona tongue.
Inyamiri. Yeah, you care what I'm saying.
I have to
go so that I can sell my kunu. I don't want my daughter to stop.
Musa, my friend. What's happened now, Musa?
What's happened, guy?
Wow. You didn't even tell me all this why, sir. Maybe your friend, your original friend, you don't tell me, say, you don't break up without your wife today. Musa, you know good though.
Me break up. Me Musa break up. I just traveled to see my family, yeah. I don't know what thing you now in the talk.
See, I see her without your neighbor, Udoye.
Who? Halima?
I see her almost every day.
You sure saying Halima it is?
That's Yaniya with the second. Oh, I see her.
You get her?
I see her without your neighbor, Udoye.
I
come. I want to see one of my guy.
Where?
I want to see him for that. Trying to the playboy. I come back now. Just watch you.
Make you see Alimo. Take Alimo. Not life for hello. Now your butt. Life for hello.
Assalamu alaikum.
Now your butt.
Halima, how are you?
Musa Inauni.
What? Yeah, kitchen.
Babana is not around.
Halima, why you decided to go out with Dan Yamiri?
Why Inyamiri? Who is the Inyamiri you're talking about?
Odoya, my neighbor. After the thing where me and you don't share together, why you leave me?
Musa, Bana so anyone now. What is it?
Halima,
as you can see, Babana is not around. Please, come and go. I am preparing to go to the market. Bana so Musa, Bana so anyone Bana so Musa, Bana so Bana so Musa. Da Allah, Musa. Katapi, da Allah. Please, go. Bana so, go, please.
I beg you.
Haba, Bana so far.
I beg you.
Musa, Bujimana. Kajamana, haba.
No, bad man.
Salam alaikum. Alaikum salam. Tell me something up. I want to hear. I made a hankening go. Be careful, Udoye. Now word Allah. Me a day campaign. Salam alaikum, alaikum salam. Tell me something, no, I want to hear. I made a hankaniko. Be careful,
You remember Halima?
Halima, that's your wife? What happened to her?
This Igbo man is not my wife from me.
Really? What does it mean?
I will say this man give her medicine for me. This girl know the Iheme again.
I used to see him every night when I come back to my house. It's scared me cute about life.
Today, not today.
She?
Dan Yamuri.
Wallahi ya kwace.
Shege ya samu magani kenan. Ya kwace Halima?
Wallahi kun yana bata min rai baka.
La Halima ta tafi. Chai. To what will you do Musa? Ya kenan?
Ni abin da zamu yi wa mutumin nan ba. Tunda nan ba garin sa ba. Duke shi ko mu kore shi daga nan.
Shikenan abin zamu
Kana ji ko?
Bari ka ji. Idan mun zo, idan gayen nan ya zo, zamu kama shi mu daure shi mu duka. Ai nan ba east bane ai.
Abin da zamu yi.
Nan north ne.
Musa, borrow me your broom. I can't find my own. Let me tidy up my, front shop.
Musa, I no get broom. I Musa ko?
I no get broom.
Kada ka bashi.
Just ordinary broom, ordinary broom, ordinary broom.
Iskan Yamuri kenan. Za mu ci uban shi shege. Wallahi za ka mai duka Musa dan buran ba.
I tell you say I no get broom.
No, it's ordinary broom, sir.
Za mu ci uban shi shege. Za mu nuna ma cewa nan garin mu ne. I'm sure that this is our town. Dan buran ba.
Sorry.
You kidnap my sister, you give her love potion, go me.
No, it's not me, sir.
I say me, I declare.
My head.
I go leave my pants this year, come not tell you, I go do my kidnapping.
Immediately I got your message, I decided to show here. Even my shop still open, and the Musa who's supposed to take care of the shop is not even back. Why didn't you come to my shop?
I didn't want to come because I don't want Musa to see me.
Okay, now that you are here, I hope all is well. You got to go. Okay, we're cozy guys. Say now, even if it's something you need now, even if I don't have it in my shop, I can, do my hand like this and get it from another person's shop. If it is cream, I will give you more creams. Perfume, Nche, soap. Go on. If it is money, I can empty my pocket. No, just to see you happy. What is it? Talk to me now. Let me.
I'm pregnant. And Babana will kill me if he finds out fast.
Huh? You are...
I'm pregnant.
Hey, Jesus. Hey! How could you allow this thing to happen now? How?
What kind of question is that? When you were doing the thing, you were telling me it was sweeting you, Did you ask me how could I allow it? That Allah, I'm pregnant. You have to come and see my Baba.
Forget Nche Danana. Nche Danana get that answer.
Don't be speaking this thing. Be speaking English, I'll be understanding. Because when you were doing it, you were not speaking that your memory you're speaking for.
What I'm saying is, what I'm trying to tell you is this: remove Nche Danana because Nche Danana mokwasagne ne result here. You know, come Nche Danana also not uncompleted building. Okay, what I'm trying to say, fine. Nke go. Let bygone be bygone because I know you can't be pregnant again. So let us tackle this one. You can't be pregnant on top of this one. So let us tackle this one. So how are we going to, solve this issue now? Amicably.
You have to marry me. Hey, man, you have to marry me. You have to come and see my parents.
Hey! Jesus. Oh, Beacon. Is that you want me to...
That's the only solution because my mama is already looking at me with one eye. I don't want them to know that I'm pregnant, far. You want my Baba now to kill me?
Okay, I said it's okay. Okay, that's it. To marry you will end the whole palaver.
Yes, you have to come and marry me.
It's okay. It's okay. Can you conceal it till 3 months so that
3 months? Bana so one far. You have to come and see them on time. In fact, you have to even come like tomorrow. How can you say 3 months? The pregnancy would have come out already then.
Anyway, in fact, what am I talking? Forget me, this man here. I just want to test you, to tease you, to know how you are going to react, to pull your legs. It's my plan. So when am I coming with my people to see your people?
Gaskiya?
I just want to know. I want to tease you a little to know what you're going to do. Don't worry. When am I coming to see them?
You have to come like tomorrow. You have to come.
Tomorrow? I thought you would say this evening.
So after Asha is Yami Alade.
Now, which kind of noise be this? Which kind of noise be this? If you know what's I carry for mine, you're not supposed to be giving me this kind of headache. Can't you sing something like Celine Dion, P Square, or even a Backstreet Boys come out? Come and this stop me. Just to think of, how am I going to? What am I going to? How am I supposed to take care of this girl? What am I going to do with this lady? She can't even take care of herself. How can she allow such a thing to happen? If you claim to be a big girl, then try to meet up with the things big girl used to do. Okay, now if I decide to marry her, how can the parents accept it? Okay, even if they accept me, what about my own people? Will they come all the way from east to this north just to pay her bride price? Okay, Halima, can she cook? Can she cook ofaku? Can she cook even onubi? Egusi or even ora? Obieba no sibe tuwo jinkafa. Nah, Udoye, what is your problem? In fact, I have to talk to her. The only solution to this problem is to talk with her. In fact, I have to tell her, I have to force her to remove that pregnancy. Yes, let her remove it. The way one, they try. Now, but take 3. Look at the problem you put me into. Can't you control yourself for once? Whenever you see a woman, that is the way you'll be dangling your head until you rear. Imagine. Don't worry, very soon I'm going to find a way to treat you. Nonsense. Alim, it sounds like a joke to me, but all the same, it's our responsibility and we have to tackle it. But considering the fact that you are still, about your education, your future, your people, so I believe the best option should be removing that pregnancy.
My religion does not accept that kind of thing, fam.
So what do you suggest?
You have to come and marry me, Shike now.
Okay, well, although I'm not denying, in fact, I'm even, in that case, give me like 6 months so that I will convince my people.
6 months? When the pregnancy will be out already?
I thought the pregnancy shows from 8 to 9.
Not like that. It doesn't work like that. You have to come and see my parents and then tell them your intentions, that you want to marry me. You can't leave me and say 6 months. Before you know, next month the pregnancy will be showing already.
Well, the 6 months is for me to use that 6 months to convince my people so that they will come from the east to north. While you here will convince your people.
You have to come on time. Besides, you don't have to bring your parents first. You have to come and see my father first and then tell him your intentions.
Oh, okay. I don't need to come with those my people, my east people.
My father would have to see you and then you will tell him you want to marry me.
Like as tradition demands, that is our own tradition. I'm not supposed to come alone. At least I'm supposed to come with 2 or 3 elders. You gotta go. Call the rigid.
But it's taking you forever, man, for your parents to come. If it wants to take you forever, don't come with your parents. You just come and see my parents.
Okay, don't worry. Just give me a day.
Oh.
Yes, a day.
Be fast, fam.
No, it's okay. It's even making me like, I wish you are now my wife.
You have sweet mouth, too much mouth.
Look at your nose, like Ladande Jakot, Ndinapa Jakot.
This thing you were doing that you now put pregnancy inside of me.
No, I feel as if we are married already. Look at your nose. At times when I look at your nose, it looks like ladder, all this ladder that people used to climb. Or even the curve of your mouth. You are very beautiful.
Halima, Benini. Halima, what is wrong with you? Halima? Halima, are you pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant.
You know, I am a woman. And I'm your mother. So I know what I'm talking about. Halima, just tell me who is responsible for this pregnancy. You see, Musa should have sought for our permission before impregnating you. Let me go and
Mama, I said I'm not pregnant. Can't you see?
I don't want you to say anything here until Musa comes here. Najipo?
Hey, Naji. I told you I'm not pregnant. Do I look pregnant? Can't somebody just come and throw up again? Bana sofa.
Musa, my wife told me that you have betrothed Halima are pregnant. Tell me, what's happened? What's the cause trouble?
What? Halima pregnant?
Kai, wara ubanka. Karka zo gidana ka zage ni mana. Just come to my house and insult me. For the fact that my daughter are betrothed to you has no reason for you to impregnate her. We start coming to pay her bride price. Are you stupid? Yeah?
Lie. Musa, you mean you don't know that she's pregnant?
Pregnant her?
Kai Ershegia, Shiru! Banza wofi.
Wallahi, Baba, I said I'm not pregnant.
Nche, Kishuru mana! Yer iska, Banza. Nonsense.
Maybe Nadan Yamiri pregnant her.
Shiru Eriska Banza. Kishuru. Eriska. Kaifa, come here. Tell me when I'm here. When Yamri, Kaifa. You know what Yamri? I'm telling you, you must die. Come and show me. Will you come?
Hanyar Kano cikin dumbun mafarauta, hanyar Kano kuce birnin masarauta. Hanyar Kano cikin dumbun mafarauta, hanyar Kano kuce.
Udoye, you are still here packing. I saw Musa and some Hausa men that are heading to this place.
Are you sure?
You better find your way.
Are you sure?
Look, they're even coming. Look at them there.
What happened? Why are you running out of this? I hope all is well.
No, there is something came up. Udoye, I need to tackle it very fast. Madagana. Yes, Madana go keta.
Where are you traveling to?
No, I'm not. There's a lecture, so I need to go in, go out.
Lecture?
A lecture, go in there, go out. Very simple. Madana go.
Noises.
No, but I want to be my Okay. I'm supposed to give you 100 naira. Here is 110. So give me my 10 naira because don't waste time. Okay, you want to change? You want to change? Okay, you are not living here without my change. You are not. You are not. Okay, come on, give me my 10. Give me my 10 naira. What's the word? Give me my 10 naira. Okay? If you enter my 10 naira, I go will visit you. Give me my 10 naira. Is that how you do your own business? Anyway, but I'm not talking. This is how you people behave. Okay. No more than 10 naira. Here and here change. So I'm supposed to give you 100 naira. I gave you 110. Give me my 10 naira now. Obroku. Otunu say me. No, tell me it's a joke. Otaku say me. Is that how you people behave? Imagine. You're supposed to give me my 10 naira. Over there, what also? Oku say me.
Who am I seeing? Udoye. Udoye. Hey. Udoye.
Supposed to allow me to go inside before you start turning me like a silly fan.
What are your bags now? My bags. You came back without letting anybody know. What happened?
Mamu Chechi, forget that thing. Forget my bags. In fact, be thankful to God that I came back here with my head. If you see the way people were dying, the way they were killing people, if you, it's an apple. If not that I was like this, fight. Say, I'm one of them. If you think I'm cool on what of Uchechi and Uchechi. But don't worry. Don't worry. I guess you. You got to go.
Thank God you're back. Thank God.
Brother Leo, looking good.
Look at me.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Please,
let us go inside. Can I come the guy back? Hey! Oh, the apple. No place like home. In fact, no place like home. Bring. Come
and sit down.
You know, dear in Ugwa we don't have
You're
this
welcome,
like this.
you're welcome.
But all money I'm ready to near for. Don't let the guy from Yama we no rich. No,
You're
I'm
welcome.
not hungry.
Please go and get a clean cup of water for me.
As if you know what I have. Couldn't walk or help people do have. Let it be chilled water, or you can go outside and buy me.
You're doing my brother. So the matter is so serious like this.
I'm telling you. Yes. Well, to be honest to you, I'm your brother. They have a lot of security agencies over there. You know, sometimes it seems as if those our security men are occupied, or rather busy or too busy, you know, tackling other problems, you know, private problems, except securing our lives, which is supposed to be the utmost end to do. Are you with me? In fact, if you see the way they were slaughtering people, killing people, bomb, not even bomb, bombs were like flying, kakatapot, tearing human parts. And now do the animal mother, you know, imagine 3 people enter, jump into my room. Hey. I don't even know what entered this room to me. I hit the other one. Hit the other one. That one fall. I killed 3 of them that day. You see this radio? This radio was the only thing, only property closest to me. Are you with me? So as I just grabbed the radio, I jumped, I entered Okada. That was how I escaped. So you people should be thankful to God for saving me, that I came here alive.
Thank God, my brother. You are welcome.
You know, all this kuli granite, I came home with nothing, only this radio. Yes, thank God. Oh! I like here. So Nche is dead. Nche is dead, and none of you cares to tell me.
Hey, Udoye, you are trying to remind me of the death of Nche. How can we inform you? In fact, we buried him immediately he died.
Uzubo.
We buried him.
Hey, you see what I'm saying?
Hey, now you are back home. Do you intend to settle in the village?
As a matter of fact, my brother, to tell you the fact, I don't know whether to say yes to that your question, nor to say no.
It's good you start a business. But if you want to start a business, you have to look at those small things that can move market in the village.
We're suggesting business of 20,000. We're talking of okay, yes, got to be on a container. No, it's good. I'm still considering, you know, to know whether I will continue staying here. You know, if I will stay here, we will still, you know, talk about it. Or whether to go back. But going back will be after the bombing. That's when the bombing is over.
You need to keep body and soul together.
Well, to concur to your suggestion, that's the keeping body and soul together. As it is, you know, they can, you know, give you sugar or honey, then you blow it out. As my brother, I know my brother is even capable. So if you give me something like 1 million to start a business, I will start a business.
I think small food.
No problem. Market in the village. That's what I'm saying. No, I can open a food.
But brother, this bombing issue, they did not even allow you carry your bag.
My bag. No, you're a good question. No, you asked a good question.
Hey, children of nowadays, you continue to amaze us.
It's okay.
Instead of you to thank God.
Mba, don't worry. Let me give her answer to that question. Uchechi, let me tell you something. Allowing me to take my bags mean sending your father. In fact, it will go sending your father over there to come and carry my dead body.
God forbid.
Thank you. You should be thankful to God. Hey. If you see the way bombs were flying, then we get down on this touch here. Bomb.
Thank God.
These children amazes me. Hey. Instead of you to thank God that your uncle is back, you are saying that he should carry his
At least you yourself, I know, as you are now, I know you are looking, you know, you're expecting me to bring something like rice, peas, bread, you know.
What is properties compared to your life?
You could just get me food. Look for food. You know, something, a food with animal.
Go and prepare yourself. Please. Let him rest.
Yes. Thank God. Please, will I prepare your food first or water too?
Forget about the water. I can take my bath anytime.
Just one good church. Let's go.
And make sure you put animal.
You're welcome.
If you know the way you are treating my brother, treat me as well. What kind of nonsense is this? Mamu Chechi, what kind of nonsense is this? How can you look at me, a full-grown man like me, and you serve me food with only one meat? Bakagino, for what?
Udoye, I don't understand. The same food I served was what everybody in this house ate, including my husband.
Fine. This man here, am I everybody? No, this man Udoye here, I am asking you, am I your husband? Am I everybody? How can you compare me with everybody? In fact, let me tell you, for your information, where I came from, that is Ugwawusa. We have food, boku boku. We have boku boku mean. Boku boku means if you look right, you see food. If you look left, you see food. Look your front center, you see food. At least this man here, if I want to eat, I know I eat with one full chicken. If I want to take my afternoon meal, I eat it with one full chicken. Night, I eat with one full leg of cow. Are you with me? So don't make that mistake again.
You should be thankful to God that you have this kind of meal. Be thankful for once.
Oh, look at this woman is calling back my friend. Be thankful. Oh! God Almighty, I thank you. God, I'm thankful to you for saving me from this poisonous food this woman served to me. From eating this poisonous food.
What?
Served to me by this witch.
My food poisonous?
Yes, yes.
My food. Since you came back to this house, I've been trying to please you. But whatever I do, you find fault to do it. I will tell your brother.
Let me tell you, with common sense, not passing sense, you're supposed to know that when you are trying to please a man, yet Udoye seems hard to be pleased, then that means you should try and keep trying. No, wait. What happens to goat meat? Can't you cook with the turkey? Can't you have your cook go to market and buy a refi so that you will please this man again? Okay, talking about my brother. You think if you mention my brother's name, then I will hide? No! Babu Chechi, come and hear my complaints. I
don't have time for
Babu Chechi. Go and remove that food, though. In that case,
Udoye! Nah, you know that when I married you, I did not marry everybody in this family. I married only one man, and you are that man.
Go there, my wife. I have not seen you in this angry mood before. Who might have caused this problem? Please, my dear, do not be angry. Eh?
Nah, who else? Who else if not your brother Udoye?
Udoye.
Who else will anger me if not Udoye?
Udoye, what has he done? But I thought two of you are going well.
Naimba, since your brother came back from the north, from Ugwawusa, I've been doing everything to please him, to make him feel happy. Yet the more I try to please him, the more difficult he becomes. I'm getting tired. I'm getting fed up with all this. Okay, the other day he insulted my food. He doesn't even have any respect again for me as his elder brother's wife. Now I'm getting tired of all this. I am getting fed up.
Go there, my wife. Don't worry. I will talk to him. But I want you to know that Udoye is a very difficult man. Very difficult. And also know what he went through when he was in the north. It's not easy. So please, my dear, I will talk to him. Eh?
Nai, please do it fast. This house will not contain both of us.
Don't worry.
Udoye is becoming a thorn on my flesh.
Don't worry. I will talk to him.
Papa will talk to him.
Please do it fast. Come, let's go and help me.
Papa, you better talk to him. Maybe you just Mama and sister with me. I don't like Uncle, good afternoon.
Nche, how are you?
Fine, Uncle.
Where is your mother? Is your mother inside?
No, she went to the market.
And I hope my food is intact.
Uncle, there is no food in the house.
Tell me it's a joke. Not even Gary, the one I can even drink.
Uncle, there is nothing in this house. And mommy has gone to market.
Uchechi.
Uncle.
So it's true, like mother, like daughter. So your mother is this wicked? Leaving the house without keeping my own food. This man here, Udoye, I left here very early in the morning without having anything here. And now Udoye is requesting for his food. Uchechi, you are telling me there is no food in this house. And I need to eat food now. Uchechi, because either by kidnapping or by stealing or by buying, go outside there with your own money. Buy me food, let me eat.
Uncle, where do I get money from now?
You're supposed to be ashamed. In fact, I am ashamed of you. At this age, you're supposed to have a fiancé, not even talk of boyfriend. Big one, rich man coming for you. Now they're asking me, where will you get money?
I don't have boyfriend though, and I don't have money.
Let me tell you, if you don't want us to have problem, go inside there, do as I say. Get money from your pocket. Go outside and buy Udoye delicious food. If not, I will have problem with you.
Uncle, where do you want me to get money from now?
In that case, it's a devil. Come on, come worry that I can never live in my father's house. Much also nugu, barateba, and it can never happen. In that case, it's a devil. Get my food, then you continue washing your clothes.
Uncle.
What is wrong with you? Go in there, get me my food.
Uncle, you've started again. Where do you want me to get money from?
After running from Ugwausa to this place, you want me again to run away from my own father's house? Are you mad?
Uncle, give me my clothes. Uncle, now.
In fact, thank you for all these things you have been doing.
What can a friend do for one another?
How can I cope without somebody like you by my side? You know my life and now
you're a good friend.
That's what I'm telling you. You are making, in fact, you are spicing up my life now. I hope that man is not adding anything to the drink. You know, let us tell ourselves the truth.
You've never seen anything at all.
Serious.
Every Friday. If you go there tomorrow, you are going to see what I'm telling you. He prepares special delicacies to spice up the power he taps. So when you taste it, you start dancing kokoma. Kokoma. Shoko.
Tell me you are joking. No, tell me it's a joke.
Go there, you see.
No, you made a point. You know, when you said that, I haven't seen anything yet. You know, like Oyibo rightly said. You know, actions speak like that and wait. Let me go to my house and wait for that action.
It's okay.
I want you to surprise me.
It's okay.
Imagine
I'm going to see you later.
Of course. Imagine one key is one key, but can't one key. Yeah, who owns this clothes? Come and remove it. Let me spray my own. Come and remove it. Let me spread my own clothes. Who is the madman that owns this clothes? Come and carry it.
What is it now? The meaning of all this? There are so many empty lines you could have used. These clothes are not yet dry.
You see why I'm having problems with you. Look at it. Go and touch them. They are well dried. And by the way, who are you in this compound to give me authority or to dictate the rope that I will use?
Udoye!
This is my name. Continue.
Udoye!
No, keep singing.
Please leave me and my family alone. Leave us alone, Udoye. Leave us alone. God in heaven, see me, Udoye, leave us alone. No, I don't have anything here.
You have
not done anything to you.
If you don't have anything up, you have something down. No, God in heaven is seeing not only you, me and you. Wait, you are shouting because you know how to shout. In that case, keep shouting.
I will shout. I will shout.
Keep breaking.
I will shout it.
Shout.
Udoye, leave us alone. Since you came back from that to Hausa, you have not allowed me and my family. You have not allowed me to drink water and eat food. And see digest well.
How can I allow
Udoye did not do anything. Udoye, leave us alone.
Why will you drink water?
Leave us alone.
Why will you drink water when you refuse to give me water? So, because you refuse giving me water, then you will not drink water. And let me tell you, this man here, I contributed the money they used to pay your bride price.
Leave my clothes. Leave my clothes, Udoye. Leave my clothes.
But if you want to fight?
Udoye, leave it.
I'm going to kill this woman today. I will kill this woman today.
You cannot do
somebody come and save this woman?
You can't do anything, Udoye. I want to hear me.
Madam Mwaputiro.
Come.
Yeah, come. 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 In fact, I will deal with you. Come. Winch, I for no go now. I am ready for you now. You want to fight me, Abi? Oya, come. I am ready for you. Bia. Come. Come now. Are you afraid of me? Come. No, after touching my clothes, come and face me. Let me show you who I am. Let me show you who Doye is. Do you know where I came from? Come. Don't touch my clothes. Don't touch them.
You'll not do anything.
Don't touch my clothes.
You'll not do anything, Udoye.
Don't touch my clothes.
Udoye, leave them. Udoye, leave them. Udoye.
Wama.
Udoye. Leave my clothes, Udoye.
What is happening in my house, Udoye? Are you fighting my wife?
You see what I'm saying?
So you can't give me respect in this house? What is the matter with you, Udoye?
Okay. Is this what you have to say? Okay, instead of you to ask me what is happening, you are here concluding. Look at your wife to remove a dried cloth so that I can spray my hose. She refused. After now, with your wife. Look at what your wife is doing to me. Since I came back from Ugu, look at how your wife has been maltreating me.
Did I ask you to come from north to here to kill all of us?
Is this what I said?
Okay, then what is the problem?
Imagine.
Ask your brother. Ask your brother.
Hey! Come and look at the cloth. It's well done. For me to spray my hose. Your wife will get tired.
But if there is any problem, Udoye, why not complain to me? Must you fight with this woman, Udoye?
I don't know you are right. Look at what your wife is doing. Chineke, you got to be a witness.
Ashe.
In fact, if you let whatever that will happen, let it happen now. Come on. If you want to fight me, come and fight me. Come work that I'm Udoye. I'm not afraid of anybody. Biano.
Udoye, you are talking to me like
yes.
So they asked you to come back to home to come and kill all of us.
Just near me.
Okay.
Because I'm single.
Tell me something, no. I want to hear.
You know you are my only brother. I don't like the idea of you having problem with my wife.
You see what I'm saying? I don't know why it's very hard. Why it seems hard for you people to understand Udoye. Udoye is a common man, a simple man, a man without trouble. Okay, come in the morning, come in the afternoon, come in the night. I am a man without trouble. Now and here you have already concluded that I am the one who is troubling your wife. Are you playing better?
Okay. You see, I invited you for a talk. Okay. Since you came back from Kano, we have not discussed. But I think there are some certain things I would like you to do in the village. Especially and most importantly, I want you to get a wife.
No, I love the other side, finding yourself something doing. Just to get yourself busy with something. That one, I love it. Thank you for that one. Because after I came back from Ugwausa down here, it's not easy for me to relocate from that side to here. If not because of these bombing issues, you know, bombing here, killing people, bombing my shops. Because not only one shop. Right now, as it is, I have to, be plain to you. I don't have a capital. And also, that wife side, getting a wife is not like getting a girlfriend. So I need a huge capital, to start making preparation on how to get married.
I know you don't have money. And that is why I'm suggesting that you should start with small business in the village. Small jobs, big small jobs in the village.
Something like
and that will help you.
Something like what?
At least wine tapping. Farming is also good. I think farming will be okay for you. Today we have not finished and you are moving away.
No, I have seen where I have seen where this your lecture is. I have seen the shape or where you are even going. So what you want me Udoye to do is to start doing all this little trade like selling or or selling fish Start selling. Is that what the kind of business you want me to start? Instead of you to think on how to raise something like 2 million.
2 million?
Ha! 3 million for me to start importation. Look at this man. And now you called yourself my brother. No, you're not my brother. For now, can I call the
Udoe! Udoe!
Okay, you see that tree? To that other side. To this other part. That is the land.
That's from this tree.
Over there is a boundary over there.
Okay, there is a land boundary there. Then come back like this, Abi. For me to attack this bush now, you have to pay me 10,000 naira.
10,000 naira? Yes. Ha! Oga, the kawa job, Iko.
Why are you shouting?
Ha! Not too much.
Ada, let me tell you, 10,000 naira is because I'm doing promo. And I'm on promo. Are you with me? So that after seeing my handwork now, you can call me tomorrow, then I'll give you my actual price.
Hey, Ngwanu, let me pay you 2,000 naira. I have a steady price in my workers.
You have a steady price with your workers. Then why didn't you come with your workers? Eh? Pay me 10,000 naira. This 10,000 naira that I'm begging you will serve as energy drink. We serve, as a, energy draw. Something that will engineer this man, agitate this man, so that once I enter here, looking at the money, I will close my eyes and keep walking.
Hey, Oyana, let me pay you 2,000 naira. And also, I'll give you meals 3 times per day.
So, are you planning not to give me food before? Don't you know you're supposed to give me my morning, afternoon, and even night food? Wait, the 2,000 naira you are pricing, is it just to clear the road part? That's a bush zogara. Or is it gozo? Because I believe if you want me to clear this bush, it's not 2,000. Now you must be wicked, though. How can you look somebody like me, Doye, and they are pricing me 2,000? For what? The only thing will happen now, be here. Let me go out there. In fact, I'm going.
Where are you going now?
Bamba, don't worry, be here. Let me go there and call people that can do it with 500. Or even save 200, so don't go anywhere. Stay there, sit down. Wait, I'm coming. I'll wait on the go. Be there. Let me call people down. Don't you have your 2 heads? Can't you walk? A whole man like me want to pay me 2,000. Why not price me 500? There is something I want you to know about women. In fact, let me take you on a little teaching about women. Are you with me? After God created women, God dashed them a special gift. A gift they can kidnap men with. A gift that lies here in their heart. Once a man sees it, the man will go gaga. In fact, you have spoken the truth. I wish I have a second wife. The one with the bigger dollar. Watermelon part, watermelon type, Every day, my wife will want to know my mind. Can you expose such a big, huge secret? Let me tell you, you need it. With this, you can choose this your kodo head there. With this your kodo head. Hey! You are giving me what I want in this village. I'm coming after you. In fact, I have something that I have to, tackle very urgent.
I hope all is well.
Eh? Or must be. Can I go? No. I have Brozoi. me it's a joke. Tell me it's a joke. How can this thing be happening in my own compound? For what? How can you help people you don't even know their whereabouts? Where they cook? How can you do a thing like that? No. Tell me it's not true. Tell me you are joking.
Thank God you're here, my husband, though. An Okada man brought them here. They were asking after you.
Tell me it's a joke.
Yes. Don't you recognize them?
You see what I'm saying? Now I find the same again. How can I recognize these people? Look at them from look at Onyenka down. Look at another person. Hausa people. Do I own Nigeria that Hausa people will be picked? Hausa boys will be picked and dumped or dropped in my compound, and you expect me to recognize them? You yourself, do you recognize them?
You just have to be very careful. You know these boys, they go about with dagger.
Are they the owner of this bar? Are they the owner of this bar? Check for bomb! Check your bomb!
I want to involve the youths of this land to help us ascertain who they are. Yes. That's the right thing to do.
Okay, please, do you have any bomb here?
No bomb.
That's good.
Assalamu alaikum.
Onye na-asa kwa amareku? Onye na-asa amareku? Asima asara amareku?
We're looking for Doya. Doya.
Doya? No. Don't worry, I don't even know. I can't even figure out what they are trying to pronounce. Doya or Dayabu or Uku, whatever. My name is Udoye, not Doya.
Odoye? Yeah, yes. Baba. You are Baba?
Huh?
Odoye. Yes.
Udoye. You are Baba. Hey! Baba? Mba, please, I'm not a Baba. I don't have any shrine I'm worshiping.
Baba, you are our father. Yes. We are your twins from Kano.
Kano?
Yes.
Okay, let's take it easy. If I'm your father now, who is your mother?
Alima from Kano.
Alima?
Yes.
Hey! From Kano? Hey! I'm not. And this one is happy. And I'm not fainting. Hey, they are my children. Oh, hey, they are my children. Yes.
Baba.
You know who you people called. When you call me Baba, I thought you are trying to say that I'm a native doctor. Hey, Baba. Oh God, my boys. Oh. God is living in our house. Yes, God.
My children, welcome to our family. You have seen Doye, whom you say is your father. Yes. So tell us, how did you get here, my children?
Assalamu alaikum.
Salaikum malam. You're welcome. Salaikum. That's assalamu alaikum. I reply. Malaikum salam.
Well, we grew up not knowing who our father is. And each time we ask our mother to tell us the whereabouts of our Baba, she won't say anything. At the time, she started feeling it that we no longer like her, and that every time we used to cry because we don't know where our Baba is. So one day,
Mama, every time you tell us our father, our Baba is coming, but we can't see him.
Mama, still we don't see him. When we go out, they keep calling us different names, asking us about our Baba.
My children, are you not happy with me, your mother? Haba, Asanda Usaini, are you not happy with me, your mother?
Oh, Mama, we are happy with you, but we still want to see our Baba. Wallahi, we are happy.
We're very happy.
So, coming. Gobe, tomorrow I will go and meet your father's friend, and then I will ask him for your father's address. If he gives it to me, I promise, wallahi tallahi, I will go and look for your father, and I will take you to your father. Hope that is okay. I love you as my children. Wallahi tallahi, I don't want problem. Bana so even when wallahi bana so problem at all.
No problem.
Wallahi tallahi, Mama. We love you too. Love you too. What for me?
You want to drink tea?
Anyar Kano, hanyar Kano cikin dumbun mafarauta hanyar Kano kuce birnin masarauta
hanyar Kano cikin dumbun mafarauta hanyar Kano kuce birnin masarauta.
Assalamu alaikum.
Sanu Oga.
Halima, how are you?
I'm fine. Please, I want you to give me the address of your brother.
You mean Udoye?
Yes, Udoye.
That will be a little bit difficult because it's been years I've not seen Udoye. And besides, the direction to their house, to their village is very, very confusing.
That should not be difficult. It should not be a problem. If you give me an address, I would look for it. I just want the children to go and visit him. So, my children, this is the address of how to locate your father. And also this is a photograph that you will show to him and he will know that you are Alima's children. Kaji? And I need to warn you both. Be very, very careful of all this inyamri. I don't want them to confuse you or even convince you of anything. Kaji? To.
Mama, no. I promise you we will not disappoint you. We will go and find Baba.
Go there's no problem. I pray, inshallah, you meet your father in good health and good condition. Inshallah. Alhamdulillah.
She even gave us this picture. This is the picture of us when we were small, with our mother.
It's true. What? Bring, let me give Mamuche. Because you will give Mamuche.
That's me. That's Hussein. That's our mother in the middle.
My children, you're welcome.
Welcome again, my sons. What are your names?
My name is Hassan, and my brother's name is Hussein.
Splendid. My people, I don't even know how to start saying this. I am overwhelmed, excessively happy. That after, thinking that I've lost everything without knowing that I have treasure there in the north. Look at them. They are my own twins, my sons. Oh, on death. I wish my elder brother is here to see today. All the same, I'm happy. You are welcome, my sons. No. Oh? No. Let me go by what he said. From today, I'm going to change your name. You no longer answer giving me body. So now Asa, and you no longer answering so from now you will answer Onyije.
Oyeje.
Mba, Oyeje means who is going. Onyije means you are back. Are you with me?
Thank you, Baba.
Yes, no, you answering is all Uswenyiko or Uswefi. So now I'm trying to change your name, You will answer Idika. No be Dikeh. Idika. Ijuleju. Ebatago no pindi mo ife.
Thank you, Baba.
Akwa nke baba ko nge wepu. If bokata baba bomb banana. You are welcome. My people. They are my kids.
Baba, is this Towo Shinka?
Exactly, Towo, but in our own way. Wow, we're not Towo, in our own way, we are calling it another thing apart from Towo. It's good though. Yes. I hope you love the soup. Well prepared with the kanda, okporoko, azo. It's a joke, it's a joke. Dikeh? What are you people doing in my house? Can you imagine? Imagine. You are praying alakoba in my own house. Me, a full traditional Christian father from Wajai HM night.
Baba, we are praying. Our mother said we should always pray as directed by the Holy Prophet. And you too, you're supposed to follow us and pray to Allah. It's great.
Churu. Only Jekevi now, what did you just call me now?
Baba.
If I hear that ba, not to talk of the completion baba, I'll baba your hair and I'll baba your own Onije.
Our mother said we should always call to the Allah. Yes. Because he's great.
Imonyambu. Imamaka sent Murumba. This man here, I'm close to their door to receive an award from them. Get up from there and move inside.
Baba Arune.
Baba Arune.
Osnagini mere. Aru. Naru mere. Aru. It's not. Baba never from there. Aru mere. If I see you again doing it now, you will see the men Aru. Onyala. And look at this woman here. She's your mother from today. So forget to say Nkonyugu. Nonsense. That your plan will never. That on plans will never work. Kono na bu wobu mo ala do no. Nne no kwa beg. Your plans will never work. Mu chere na bu mo ala do no.
Hassan, Papa is making life so painful for us. Hey,
Hussein, let's go back to Kano. Hey, here there's no good food. No tuwo shinkafa. No tuwo masara. Hey, Mama used to cook good food for us. Let's go back to Kano.
Babu. Wallahi. Hey, Hassan, we can't go back to Kano. Hassan, we have to go inside the village and know our people. Let them know us too. We can't go back.
You think so?
Yes.
Do we know our way around? What if we get lost?
Wallahi. Nobody is getting lost. Let's go. Muje, there's enough time to spend.
Hussein, Tofi, Kai. Mamana.
What is it?
Why is it that you don't like us?
I don't understand.
I said, why is it that you don't like us?
And I said I do not understand.
You don't like us. And you forget that this is our father's house.
And this is also my husband's house. Have you heard me? It is also my husband's house. And let me tell you, I don't want you boys here. So if you know where you have come from, go back to that place. Get out of this place!
Is that all you have to say?
Come on, get out from this place.
Hussein, it's okay. Leave her.
Get out of this place! There was someone with idiots. Come on, give me that to the idiot now. Stupid thing. I will not just have peace in this house.
Oh, what is it again now?
I want us to talk now.
Oh, what do you have? What do you have against this, my son sleep?
I said I want us to talk now.
Talk about what now? Which problems?
Okay, you're asking me which problems? The boys you brought into this house.
Adako, for your information, those boys you are calling those boys are my sons. Are you with me? So stop calling them those boys. If you call them those boys, it looks as if they are from manna that came from heaven.
And how are you sure they're your sons?
Adako, I know you don't have common sense. The day they entered this compound, were you not there? You were there when they showed us a picture containing both the mother, their mother. I met that woman before you. Because allow these people, in fact, let it sink into your head. They are my sons.
Listen, I'm no longer comfortable with them in this house.
Then try to be comfortable.
I said I am not comfortable with them in this house.
Then adjust. If you are not comfortable, see. If you are not comfortable, try to be comfortable. you want to go to your father's place?
Oh, that's all you have to say?
Yes.
If I want to go back to my father's house, you brought what I don't know into this house and you're asking me if I want to go back to my father's house. Okay, I will stop cooking in this house.
If that one you want to use it as a technique to get my attention, you have failed. In fact, let me tell you, if you don't want to cook, you will move to the kitchen and I'll prepare delicious food.
It's alright.
Is it that thing you are giving me?
You will cook till you get tired.
Don't worry, you have been giving me poison.
I said you will cook till you get tired.
Stop disturbing me.
Make sure you don't ever call me to come and cook.
Let me tell you, if you make another noise now, I will leave you. I will go to the parlor.
I said you should go. Go now. What are you waiting for?
Adako, allow me to
I said go.
Temptation.
This guy with the smoke no go help you. You just smoke Igbo, make the high. All these guys with the light no be help you. Take this one. Go behind us, they go for
The Chris, we dey sabi small come out. Since we start to the mood this thing we go for hand. See nothing sweet past non-alcoholic beer.
No my sin, wrestler no good. Wrestler no good.
Wait. Look at this guy. Who dey begin smoke sef?
Aboki, Ndawasa.
Come on, come here.
Come here.
Come.
What's the for village?
This is our village. You are our brothers.
Sir, which village? Which brother?
We are Boki. You two, you are Boki.
Hey!
Who we are Boki? Come on. Boki, Americana like me look like a Boki. Look at you, dey mad. Neda. Neda. Come on, Linda.
Kabrini di Allah.
Kabireti.
Kabrini di Allah.
Kabishi go back. Kabireti. Come on, jump. Come on, go. If you move, you get yourself that place now. Jump.
Ife na ha kanja. Ife neme. Idika and Onyiji. Why are you both? What is happening now? Why are you both crying? Me?
We are going to the market, and some boys stopped us. They asked us to come.
Three boys.
And they collected our calves, and they started punishing us.
For what one? On top of Nahana Runobu. Kerivunume.
They were insulting us, calling us Aboki, and we called them Aboki.
Yes. It's called us Aboki, and we called them Aboki. We told them that they are brothers.
Chiri. Kangoti Ibuno Naga. How corona Aboki? Unwepo Aboki, how we daron we mawanya. When you walk. How corona Aboki no Aboki, how we were Budibe.
Papa, I don't understand what you're talking about.
But I mean, they called you people Aboki, and you reply back.
Yes.
They started beating you people.
Yes.
So when all these things were happening, can you hold me? What did you people do?
They were beating us. They asked us to.
They were just asking you to jump, and they are jumping on top of the beating. I will clap for you. Shame to you and your brother Dikeh.
Sorry.
But sorry is for you and your brother. Not me, your father. Let me tell you. Igwe na tomoji, Igwe na chobra na tomojo. Na to do yujo.
Babana, what is tomotomojo?
Mba asram tomotomo o okwu Igbo na akpọkọ ya ọnụ na atomojo. Ịghọtago? I mean Igwe eze na chobra fears me. Na tomojo means fear.
What is eze?
Kezi fe na akpọdo eze ebe a ndị asi gbarata. Obro wuri even eze, obro de eze o eze. Sariki of this kingdom fears me.
Sariki?
Yes.
Sariki?
Yes.
Fears you?
Yes.
Oseni, I talk out. Baba, now are you?
Baba get Magani.
Magani, yes.
Yeah. Magani. Kefe na akpọdo Magani. Ewo, Cham.
Yes, Magani.
You know, you people said the Magani, so I was thinking, you are talking about as a Mangala. That is Mangala Magani. Mbano, Cham. Nago using Cham against his people. Mbano. Let me tell you, my power lies here. If this case is a case that my mouth or my tongue can even solve, I will use my tongue to tear mud pieces. I will tear them pieces. So learn to live like your father. Stop it. Learn like your father, be strong. And when you face that person twice.
Papa, I don't know what you're talking about.
Then Mubaya Muba, open it out, Mubia, Jagote.
If we just sit back and watch the people of this village, they will frustrate us.
Wallahi, Baba was right. Nobody should ever make us feel unwanted.
Yes. That is because they call us Aboki and they think that we are Hausa. See, it's time we just stand on our feet and fight back.
Even if we are Hausa, are we not human beings? We are still brothers. One country, one Nigeria. Wallahi.
You are. Kai! Who's in it? Zuzu.
Yeah, by the way, what did Ezemo say? Actually, Ezemo said that God has spoken. Okay. That we have to do a very little sacrifice to appreciate the protection that they have given for the community. Okay, okay. Yes. What are the items? Yes, he mentioned things like a he-goat, a sum of 20,000 naira. Okay. A white cock. Cola nuts representing the market days the gods are given to us. Okay. And Igwe, we have to be fast about it. Do this in just in 2 days. No, please get all those items. Okay. We have to perform that sacrifice. However, there was this letter that came from the governor's office requesting us, the great traditional rulers, to come to the office for discussion, and you know that in this community there's need.
Dikeh and Nche. Before now, are you with me? Are you following me?
To where?
Sorry. I have forgotten that you people are not conversant with my language. I mean, I have warned both of you to stop dressing up like Hausa man. Yet you are still dressing. You are still wearing it. Here is Igbo land. Here in Igbo land, you need to dress up like Igbo boys. You got that? You know, wear jean trouser or short. Then you put on a nice polo. What's up? Are you with me? So stop wearing this kind of clothes. I will not be happy with you people if I see you wearing it again. Huh?
Mama says you ran away.
Shh. How can a boy like you say a thing like that?
But that's what Mama said.
No. What she told you?
Yes.
How can I run away from that place? I came here because of my father's sickness. I was again and I'm no good. And I'm going bone to bone. Huh? But don't say that thing again. So please, from today, stop putting on this clothes. Oh, Meronimia. Oh, you want to go? So, Ada. Bring it. Thank you. Hey! Jesus!
Isan Jacob, Nobu Wahala. Anywhere una go, Wahala go there. Isan Jacob, Nobu Wahala.
Am I the only person who went to Ugu and impregnated somebody? Now come. Here, what's the time? Get behind now! I'm just showing nonsense there. Nonsense there. That nonsense is showing. Where is your... You don't want to go. You don't need to go. Nsiku kedu nwanne o mechi o mege.
Inside.
Go and call him. Onyije. Onyije bia, come outside with a quick match. Onye baba.
Osan.
Sanu nke gukwa. Achọrọ m ifu ihe a na-eme n'ụlọ. Una na-ele m anya, achọrọ m ka ọ kwụsị tata. Na nagote na-ekwu, ihe unu na-emegeri n'ụlọ a ya kwụsị tata. Are you with me? Oh, I have forgotten that you people are not conversant with my dialect. What I'm trying to say is that I don't want both of you to keep on kitting like Ndugu. From today, stop wearing this kind of clothes.
Why?
I'm not comfortable with it. Makeya, Kanjijafia, I went to market. Nee jido maka a na-ekwu na-eme action ngwa take jidobe maka mgbe ma wụrụ gị arume mgbe arụ a ga-eme mgbe unu eyiri akwa when you refuse to wear this cloth arụ ewe mebe gị oya ịmara onye ma nke fitiri enu oyiye but what I want both of you to understand is very simple. Stop from today. Stop wearing these Abokis clothes. You are Igbo boys.
Thank you. Is it for our Salah?
But what are your Salah? So go my here na sana alacha. Asema Salah. I bought these clothes so that if you want to go out, you put one on. If you want to see your friend, you put one on. You look like Igbo boys. Kamuzuru nunugu. Asrazimonu bruzi omume ndi ugwu bieba. This is Igbo land. If I wouldn't do Igbo, no get keep your home.
Thank you, Baba. This is for Salah. Yes. Salah. One.
Going on here? I'm sure the goat and the cock were tied here. Eh? Get in there. Hey! Okay, I don't know the woman. Okay, I can't cook.
Adako! You go stop keeping us waiting. Bring the pepper soup now. Why bringing it out with this food? Chinekeme! Adako, where are the remnants of the goat meat?
I reserved some for soup and stew. After all, did you even care to know how they got this goat?
Does it really matter? Or matter? What matters is the meat is here. Okay, if you insist, let me ask my boys. Only Jenna, how did you come about the goat?
Yes, we met one man that sells goat, and he gave us one to take home.
He was happy. He liked us, and he made sure that our papa sees the goat.
Papa, have you heard it?
both must be lying.
Yes. Anyway, I don't even care. I don't care.
Adako, don't you ever in your life open your mouth to call my hard-working boys liars. Eh? Don't you open your mouth next time to call them liars. Are you mad? You are just jealous.
Mama, don't worry, I will bring another goat next time.
Yes. Another goat.
Money is not the problem.
Abi?
Yes.
If we look here, my boys are working.
Money.
Chineke, tell me it's a joke.
Yeah.
Chineke, man.
Money.
How? Take a three. See, there's a way we greet, strong men in our language, in our town. Otu, Igbo, Ito. Then you close it. Paka. Lapumu, Otu, Igbo, Ito. Okay, 4. Take 4. Paka. Hey! So don't use it to do akawo. I can tell you, man.
Where is the head?
Where is the head of the goat? Don't mind, she will bring it. Can you turn hand?
This thing has never happened to this village before. Do you know that the Ezemo is yet to perform the sacrifice when everything was provided got missing?
Oh, may the gods be praised. The gods have already accepted the sacrifice. Already?
Accepted what? Someone went to the shrine and took away everything that were provided for sacrifice.
It is practically and tactically impossible for somebody to get into the shrine and make away with all the items meant for the sacrifice. It's impossible.
Igwe, this is an abomination. And you know the rust of the gods. But Igwe, if I may suggest, what do we do now? What are we to do, Igwe?
Oh no.
Igwe,
replace those items immediately.
Okay.
We must perform that sacrifice.
Okay. It's all right, Igwe.
So,
welcome at home. What a far distant journey. Welcome at home.
Wow. Yo, these people are good people. Who did it?
May the gods strike you dead. How dare you tamper with the sacrifice of the cows? Hey!
Kai, Wana, who are you?
Hey! All these sins is for the gods. So, you are the thieves that ravage my shrine?
Do you live in the forest? You see, I told you, you cannot fight us with this your childish powers. You dare not challenge us. We got here first.
Come, who are you? The Igwe in council must hear this. Okay. Yes, they must hear it.
Osani, we will not give you the time and the chance to go and tell the Igwe in council. Oh, it's now our turn. Let me see how and what you go to tell them. Say nothing. Let me see what you tell them, the Igwe council. Say nothing and do nothing.
Nah, come over. Don't worry. Adako, if you can make proper use of your number 6 or even your brain, you will know that these boys, they are children. That's children. Are you going to tell me that during your own childhood that you didn't play? Or if it's what are you trying to insinuate?
Babana!
We have resigned from the palace.
Don't tell me it's a joke. What happened?
Everybody hates us. In fact, we are back to the house.
Back to which house?